Welcome to Celeb Scene Central. 5 years after Game of Thrones ended, Kit Harington is finally moving on from Jon Snow and looking back on his breakthrough role. Having previously told Entertainment Weekly that his proposed GOT sequel series about his character had been put on the shelf, the actor has now joined the cast of a very different HBO show, Industry, for its just premiered third season. And with Westeros safely in his rearview mirror, Harington addressed the controversial way Game of Thrones concluded in a new interview with GQ. "I went in and everyone loved Thrones. I came out and everyone hated it," Harington said. Game of Thrones was based on George R.R. Martin's A Song of Ice and Fire novels, a series that still remains unfinished. So while the first 5 seasons of the blockbuster HBO show had clear source material to adapt, the last 3 seasons had to arrive at a conclusion based on Martin's notes for the ending he has in mind. As a result, much of the criticism of the final seasons of Thrones boils down to it feeling rushed, eager to reach a conclusion without necessarily laying all the groundwork to get there. Conleth Hill, who played the eunuch spymaster Varys, expressed his displeasure in no uncertain terms to EW after his character was unceremoniously killed off in the penultimate episode. "You can't help feeling that you failed in some way," he said. Harington, for what it's worth, agrees with that basic assessment. But he also acknowledges that the show could not have lasted for the extra couple seasons it might have needed to sort everything out. The massive production, which filmed across multiple countries including Northern Ireland, Croatia, and Spain, took a toll on the large ensemble cast, as did their worldwide fame. "I think if there was any fault with the end of Thrones, is that we were all so f***ing tired, we couldn't have gone on longer," Harington told GQ. "And so I understand some people thought it was rushed and I might agree with them. But I'm not sure there was any alternative. I look at pictures of me in that final season and I look exhausted. I look spent. I didn't have another season in me." Yet stories will continue to be told in Westeros, even without Jon Snow and the other original characters. House of the Dragon just wrapped up Season 2 and promises 2 more to come, while the next spin-off, A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms, is set to debut in 2025. Read Harington's full interview at GQ.